Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your TikTok account. Now, you are not alone. A ton of people will probably continuously have problems with TikTok for the rest of forever until this app is irrelevant. Now, there's a ton of an endless amount of ways why your TikTok may not be working. But typically, if you're watching this video right now, and there, let's say, there's like a bunch of other people who are watching and they're complaining about it, then it may not be a problem with your phone with you specifically. It may be a problem with TikTok. So what you're going to have to do is essentially wait until TikTok fixes the problem. This is one thing I've seen time and time again. Anytime, TikTok is down, is trending on Twitter or anything like that, all my past videos end up doing well. And that's because a majority of people are having issues and they think it's a problem with their phone or whatever. So ultimately, you're just going to have to wait it out if it's that specific issue. But let's say it's only you that's having this problem. Well, the very first thing I would recommend doing is making your way over to your app store and you want to update your TikTok account. So just like so, you want to look up TikTok on your specific app store, Play Store, whatever, and you want to update the TikTok account. If you're on a very outdated version of TikTok, your app may not work out, and that's just a sad truth. It always ends up being the case that this is probably true. So you want to update your TikTok account, and as soon as you do that, you will probably end up being fine. Most of the time, this probably ends up being the issue as well. If it's not the first thing where it's like TikTok is down, then it may just be this thing, and it's a very, very easy fix. Now, if that doesn't end up fixing it, another thing you want to do is kind of figure out what the problem is. If the problem is like your TikToks keep getting taken down and you're shadow banned, then you're going to have to pretty much contact TikTok and have them take a look at your account. And you can do that by scrolling up here. You want to click the three dots up here. You want to scroll down and then you want to find a report a problem. So report a problem is right here. And then you want to go ahead and kind of find specifically which one, suits you the best. So let's just say it's this one. If I can click, other, sometimes I just click on a random one here and then still have a problem. And then you want to go ahead and explain to them what the problem is. And most of the time they will hit you back up and they'll pretty much tell you, okay, this is the issue. As you can see, it's typing as I'm talking. But that's essentially another thing you can do. And that's, kind of what I do all the time. Whenever I have an issue with any app, I always like contacting the app developer themselves. Now, ultimately, if none of those things are working, you always want to check your network connections. So make your way over to your settings app and you want to go through your Wi-Fi, your cell connections, anything like that, and see what's going on. There can be a lot of issues with your specific, network settings. And if you have a really bad network, then it may not work out for you either. So those are the main ways to go ahead and, fix a majority of the TikTok problems that you may end up having on your device. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.